Sometimes, you may find yourself in a situation where you want to influence someone's confidence, perhaps to gain an advantage in a social situation or relationship. It's important to be cautious, as this tactic can have lasting effects. Here's how to subtly plant seeds of insecurity without them even realizing it. 1. Use comparison. One of the quickest ways to make someone feel insecure is by subtly comparing them to others. This doesn't have to be overt, simply mention how someone else is doing something better or how others look a certain way. This can make the person start questioning their own worth. 2. Withhold validation. People thrive on praise and validation. If you withhold compliments or attention, they'll begin to feel insecure. By not reinforcing their self-worth, you make them start doubting themselves. This is subtle, but over time, it can have a significant impact. 3. Subtle criticism. Criticizing someone in a way that feels constructive can make them doubt themselves. Instead of being direct, use passive-aggressive comments or backhanded compliments. A phrase like, "That's a great effort, but I think you could have done better," will make them question their abilities, but they won't know why. 4. Create uncertainty. Make them feel unsure about themselves or their decisions. This can be done by questioning their choices or subtly implying that others don't agree with them. The more uncertain they feel, the more insecure they become. But remember, this should be done carefully and ethically, as emotional manipulation can have serious consequences.